Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the settings menu functions in Gorenje Induction Hub. So let's turn on the settings menu. You have to hold the finger below 3-line button on turn it off device. The first option is a volume of the acoustic signal. The next one is a length of the alarm of end cooking. The next one is automatic child lock. Yes, this is automatic child lock, and the next one is automatic recognizing the plates on the heating area. The next one is automatic turning on or off the clock. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.